here's how we can hide the WhatsApp chats but without archiving on the iPhone. So let's get started. If it's your first time being here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, when you archive the chats, they get like hidden away or whatever, but it's not like permanently, right? Because you will see the option right there. However, you have the ability to go to the chat specifically and tap on more options and actually lock the chat. So when you lock it, it not only makes it disappear from the main list, but it will also not allow anyone to access it unless they have the passcode or authenticated themselves. So you will be able to see that the message is there only if you swipe it down slightly from the top right here. So you'll see the the locked chats right there, and you will be able to unlock them, but they are definitely not part of the main chats list. And this is by far, if you ask me, the best way to hide the chats outside of using the archive feature. So if you do not see the thing, just go to the App Store and look up the WhatsApp right there to see if there isn't any update available, in which case definitely install it so you have all of the latest features available on your device as well. But that is, I believe, the best way to do it. I hope I was able to help you out and assist you with it. If you have some more questions about this, leave them below. It's possible I'll make more videos in the future about that particular topic, but for now that's it, and I'll catch you in the future uploads too.